In today's video, we'll be breaking down an important topic: the differences between procedural and substantive due process violations under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA. First, let's briefly talk about what IDEA is. The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act is a federal law that ensures students with disabilities are provided a free, appropriate public education, FAPE, that is tailored to their individual needs. Procedural due process violations occur when a school district fails to follow the legal processes required by IDEA. Here are some common examples. Failure to provide proper notice if the school doesn't inform parents about meetings, evaluations, or changes to their child's IEP. Lack of parental involvement if parents are not included in the decision-making process regarding their child's education. Timelines, missing deadlines for evaluations, IEP meetings, or implementing services. Documentation, inadequate or incorrect documentation of a child's progress or services provided. Procedural violations focus on whether the school district followed the rules and processes laid out by IDEA. Even if there are procedural violations, it doesn't necessarily mean the child was denied a FAPE. On the other hand, substantive violations concern the actual educational content and services provided to the child. Here's what to look out for. Appropriateness of the IEP, whether the Individualized Education Program, IEP, is designed to meet the child's unique needs. Implementation of services, ensuring that the services outlined in the IEP are being provided and are effective. Progress monitoring, whether the child is making adequate progress towards their educational goals. Substantive violations are about the quality and appropriateness of the education the child is receiving. If a child is not making meaningful progress, it could be a sign of a substantive violation. Understanding the distinction between procedural and substantive violations is crucial for parents. Procedural violations might not always lead to significant changes or compensatory education. However, if a procedural violation significantly impedes the child's right to a FAPE, then it can have serious implications. Substantive violations, on the other hand, often have more direct impacts on the child's education and are more likely to lead to corrective actions if found in violation. That's your legal tip for today. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more insights. If you have questions, reach out to our office for a free call to see how we can help you navigate this together.